It has been great getting to know Alice. She's smart, she's talented, and she's very caring. Really the perfect match for Bobby. Perfect.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Thank you, baby. So do you.
Bobby, I'm thankful for the way you care for Allie while showing her the world you love.
I love the way you make me feel safe and secure no matter what environment we're in. I promise to always love you and to always care for you. I promise to have your back when you need me. I promise to be fully committed to sharing this life with you, through the good and the bad, making sure that while it is never boring, it is always filled with love and genuine care for what is best for each other and ultimately our partnership. Today seems like the start of a new journey, but I already belong to you. You're my partner, my lover, and above all, my best friend. I love you so much, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.
Alice, you are beautiful, funny, cool, fiercely loyal, wildly talented, empathetic, sweet, and kind. And I feel so lucky to be the one with the best seat in the house, the one closest to you every day. Falling in love with you and growing together into the pair we've become is the first in what will be a long line of the most meaningful experiences of my life. I look forward to eating things I never would have otherwise eaten, traveling to places I had never considered, starting a family, and then growing old together. I love the way our strengths play off of each other, creating something that is greater than we could ever be on our own. I'll split the wood if you'll cozy up by the fireplace with me. I'll catch, clean, and cook the fish if you'll smile when you eat it. I love you, Alice. I'm so ready to party as husband and wife.
The first time I saw Bob skip a night of rock climbing to hang out with Alice in their living room and watch trashy reality TV, I knew this one was for real.
But I've changed my mind, oh yeah, 'cause I'm so deep in love.
After watching your new husband fish, Alice, I know you'll never have to worry about putting food on the table. And Bobby, you have landed the best catch ever.
So deep in love.
In a relationship, humor is the best medicine, and learn to laugh at yourselves as much as possible. I love you both very much.
But I've changed my mind, 'cause I'm so deep in love.
So they're a couple who's perfected the art of doing what needs to get done and then taking a step back and just enjoying the beautiful life they've made together.
Remembering your shared love of adventure and play will make every day that much more joyful.
So deep in love. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's got to be love, baby, baby, baby.
How's it feel to be a bride?
Good. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Wow, you're mic'd up already.
Oh yeah, dude. We on.